Hello everyone. Today we will solve some more problems on coordinate geometry. Here is the first problem. Write the coordinates of reflection of point on x-axis and y-axis. So first of all we have to plot the point x-axis and this is y-axis. This is origin. The point is 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. This is the point 3, 5. We want the reflection of this point taking x-axis as a mirror. So when we are taking x-axis as a plane mirror, we know the rule that the image of this point is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. As the object is, so this 3, 5 means this distance is 3 and this distance is 5. So the image will be 5 distance below this x-axis. So the coordinate of the point 3 distance, this distance will be same and this distance will be -5. So this is the image of point A. A dash. A dash is the image of point with respect to x-axis as a plane mirror. Okay. And second, if we take y-axis as the plane mirror, then the object is 3 distance in front of the mirror. So the image will be 3 distance behind the mirror. So the image will be at a distance. So the x abscissa is -5 and the ordinate will be same as before, that is 5. So the image when we are taking y as a mirror, then the image is -3, 5. When we are taking x-axis as the mirror, then the image is 3, -5. So in this way you can solve this type of problem. In this question, the centroid of triangle formed by PQR is at origin. Then we have to find the value of this. Okay. So we know that the centroid of triangle is, if the coordinates of PQR is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then the coordinates of origin are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. These are the coordinates of centroid of triangle. Here the points are AB, BC and AC. And the centroid is given origin. So origin is the centroid. So here x1, y1 means x1 is A, x2 is B, x3 is C. So A plus B plus C by 3 and here y1, y2, y3 is B plus C plus A. So this is given 0, 0. That is A plus B plus C by 3 is 0. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 0. That is, we can write A plus B as minus C. So this we will use here. Okay. To find the value of this, we will use this. A plus B is minus C. So to find the value of this, we will use that A plus B is minus C. Okay. So simplifying this, taking the LCM, it is ABC. So BC cancel, it will be A cube here. And similarly B cube here and similarly C cube here. Okay. Now instead of C, we will use minus A plus B, the whole cube. Okay. A, B, C. So simplifying this, using this we are solving. So A cube plus B cube minus A cube plus B cube, A plus B the whole cube identity we are applying, 3a square b, 3ab square upon ABC. So this is a cube plus b cube minus a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay. So this cancel upon ABC. So this is 3ab a plus b upon ABC. AB cancel. So it is minus 3a plus b. Now we know that a plus b is minus c. So this is equal to minus 3c minus c upon c. C cancels. So the answer is 3. In question number 3, we have to determine the ratio in which the straight line x minus y minus 2 equals to 0 divides the line joining 2 points that are A and B. So let the line joining A, first point, and B, second point, is divided by this line in ratio k is to 1. Let the line divides the line joining AB in ratio k is to 1. Okay. So now we know that the coordinate of that point is suppose R. The line joining AB is divided by x minus y minus 2 equals to 0 at point suppose R in ratio k is to 1. So the coordinate of R, x is equal to coordinates of R by section formula. So section formula is mx2. M is to n. M is k. mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. And the coordinates means the abscissa. This is abscissa and ordinate is k into 9 plus 1 into minus 1 upon k plus 1. Now this point is, simplifying this, it is 8k plus 3 upon k plus 1. And this is 9k minus 1 upon k plus 1. This point is lying on the line. So it will satisfy this equation. X minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Or x minus y equal to 2. Putting this value of x and y here. Okay. And then simplifying, we can find the value of x, value of k. So putting the value of x and y in this equation, x minus y equals to 2. X is 8k plus 3 by k plus 1. And y is 9k minus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to 2. Simplifying this, LCM k plus 2, k plus 1. And here 8k plus 3 minus 9k plus 1 equal to 2. So simplifying this, it is minus k plus 4, 2k plus 2 by cross multiplication. So 3k is equal to 2. So k is 2 by 3. So the answer is, the ratio is 2 is to 3. This is the answer. This question is similar to the previous one. We have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining AB is divided by x-axis. Instead of any line, here the line is x-axis. The equation of line x-axis is y equals to 0. Actually, any point lying on x-axis, we know that it is x comma 0. So y is 0 here. Okay. This we will use to find the ratio, and also we have to find the coordinate of the point of division. So line AB, line joining AB, A is the first point, 1 minus 5, and B is minus 4, 5, is divided by x-axis, and the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay. So let the ratio be k is to 1. So let the x-axis divides AB in ratio k is to 1. So m is k, n is 1. So the point of division is suppose r, which is x. So the coordinates of r. R is any point on x-axis. So y equals to 0. So x comma y, where y is equal to 0. So using section formula, x is equals to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. This is x, and y is m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. And for x-axis, y is equal to 0. So using y is equal to 0, we can find the value of k. So 5k minus k equal to 0. So 5k equals to 5. So k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 means r is the midpoint of AB. And so x, putting the value of k as 1, we can find x also. So k as 1 or using the midpoint formula, 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the coordinate of r is, finally the answer is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. X is minus 3 by 2 and y is 0. So the point on x-axis is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This is the answer. In this question, this is the median of triangle whose vertices are A, B and C. We have to find the value of k. So median means passing through the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. So here the 3 points are given minus 1, 3. 3 vertices are given this A, B and C. So first of all, we have to find the midpoint of all AC using midpoint formula. Minus 5 minus 1 by 2. 3 plus 2 by 2. This is the midpoint, that is minus 6 by 3, minus 3 and 5 by 2. This is the midpoint D, suppose. Similarly, find the midpoint of this also, minus 5 by 2, 6 by 2, that is 3. And the midpoint of this is minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2. So this is the given median. So it must pass through one vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. So for both the points B, D, it must satisfy this equation. For C, E and A, F. So we can see that for these 2 points, we are getting same value of k. So this median is BD median. So for median BD, the equation is this. So it must satisfy B also and D also. Putting the coordinates of B, x as 0, y as 4. We are getting k equals to 8. And putting the value of coordinates of D, D is minus 3, 5 by 2. This should also satisfy this equation. So from this, we are getting the value same as 8. So this is median BD, for which the answer is 8. So this is the median of triangle passing through vertex B and the midpoint of opposite side AC, that is D. So I hope all the problems are clear to you now.